Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, a lot of us, actually most of us, would ideally want to have silky, soft, smooth hair locks without any hair woes, but that's not the case. Unfortunately, there's so many hair problems which are so common and we are all dealing with something or the other. It may be either the problem of frizzy hair or dry hair or dullness. These are some common problems that we are all facing in today's time. And one thing that really helps get rid of all these problems is something that you must apply after washing your hair, which is a hair serum. And usually a hair serum comes for about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 in the market. It's generally in the 1,000 category, which is just a mere bottle of either 15 ml or 30 ml, which is very expensive if you ask me. And this is where homemade hair serums come into play. Now let's first understand what is a hair serum. Now a hair serum is actually a protective layer that it creates on the layer of your hair, on the cuticles, and it protects your hair from damaging and also makes them a lot more smoother, silkier, also shinier and much more manageable. Frizzy hair is the most unmanageable hair issue according to me, and if there is humidity and hot weather, then it adds up a little more to the hot mess that you will be creating on your head. So hair serum is really important to be used, especially for women who are facing issue of frizziness. That's what's really going to lock in the moisture. So this is going to be a simple hair serum recipe that I'm going to share with you, which can be used both pre and post hair wash. Depending on the situation, I'm going to share the method of application in either case. It is suitable for every kind of weather and it is non-greasy. It's super lightweight. It's not going to make your hair oily or greasy or chip, and it really works well. So this is all that you need for this recipe. Take a spray bottle and fill 3/4 of it with distilled water and add a few pumps of aloe vera gel in it. You can also use the natural one. Just fill the bottle till the rim with the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to use 3 capsules of vitamin E. That's what's going to make the shelf life of this DIY longer. And just make sure to shake it really well before every use so that all the ingredients are mixed together thoroughly. After shampooing your hair, use a few drops of this serum on the lengths of your hair and you'll see visible difference in the frizziness from the very first use. You can also use this pre-shampooing, so just use a generous amount of this the night before you plan to wash your hair. This will allow the serum to penetrate deep overnight and will leave your hair silky, frizz-free the next morning. So this is a very simple DIY. Do try it and let me know your feedback and your experience in the comment section. I will see you very, very soon. Bye.